Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own Mandalorian retractable shooter. I started out by taking a look at the few scenes you see Mandalorian using his retractable shooter. So it looks like it's mounted on Mandalorian's arm, so I have a piece of 3-inch pipe that fits on my arm perfectly. And then for the actual shooting mechanism, I have the barrel of an old Nerf gun, and then it goes from this barrel to 2 pieces of 1/2-inch pipe, and then an adapter that goes from 2 1/2-inch pieces of pipe to 1 piece of pipe. And then this allows me to screw it onto my air tank, and then I can shoot these bullets at a very high speed. Now let's work on the retractable mechanism. So I have a DC motor powered by a 9-volt battery, and then on this DC motor is a little reel, and then on this reel is fishing line that goes out to whatever we shot. And when the 9-volt battery turns on, all the fishing line will go on that reel, and then when we want to shoot it, we just wad the fishing line up and stuff it in this barrel. Here is it in use. Now that our glue is dried, let's get to testing. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe. If you have any video ideas or suggestions, comment below.